Ever sent Bitcoin and felt stuck in crypto limbo? Have you ever stared at your computer screen, Bitcoin transaction initiated, and wondered, is this thing ever going through? Fear not, crypto comrades, because we've all been there. Transferring Bitcoin can feel like watching paint dry, except this paint is digital and potentially holds the key to your next limbo, or at least a fancy cup of coffee. So, the burning question, how long does it actually take for Coinbase to send Bitcoin? Buckle up, because the answer isn't a simple one. It's a story about miners, fees, and the fascinating world of blockchain technology. The Bitcoin blockchain, a shared ledger of transactions. Imagine a giant digital record book, constantly being updated with every Bitcoin transaction ever made. That's the Bitcoin blockchain in a nutshell. Every time you send Bitcoin, it gets added as a new entry to this ever-growing book. But who writes in this book? Meet the miners, the bookkeepers of Bitcoin. These aren't your average accountants. Bitcoin miners are powerful computers around the world that solve complex math problems to verify transactions. When a miner solves a problem, they get rewarded with Bitcoin, a clever way to incentivize keeping the network secure and running smoothly. So, how long does it take a miner to write in the book, i.e. verify my transaction? Here's where things get interesting. Miners prioritize transactions based on a fee system. The higher the fee you pay, the sooner your transaction gets noticed by miners and included in the next block of the blockchain. This block, roughly speaking, is added every 10 minutes. Coinbase and transaction speeds, a balancing act. Coinbase offers different transaction fee options. A higher fee means your Bitcoin gets prioritized, potentially showing up in the recipient's wallet within 30 minutes. Coinbase themselves say most transactions are completed within this time frame. However, there's a trade-off. Higher fees mean you're spending more Bitcoin. On the other hand, a lower fee might leave your transaction languishing in the queue for hours or even a day. The art of the crypto hustle, strategizing your Bitcoin transfer. So, how do you navigate this fee game? Here are some tips. Consider urgency versus cost. If your Bitcoin needs to get there ASAP, a higher fee is your friend. Check the network congestion. Tools like Bitcoin Mempool can show you how busy the Bitcoin network is, helping you decide on an appropriate fee. Plan ahead for important transactions. Don't wait until the last minute to send Bitcoin for a time-sensitive purchase. Beyond Coinbase, the broader world of Bitcoin transactions. While Coinbase simplifies sending and receiving Bitcoin, it's not the only player. If you're comfortable with a more technical approach, you can use a Bitcoin wallet that gives you more control over fees. But remember, with greater control comes greater responsibility. One wrong move and your Bitcoin could be lost forever. The final word, patience is a virtue, especially in crypto. The beauty and frustration of Bitcoin is its decentralized nature. Transactions aren't instantaneous like swiping your debit card. But with a little knowledge and planning, you can avoid that crypto limbo and get your Bitcoin flowing freely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.